Is your pub gaming session turning into a black screen nightmare? Don't worry, we are going to kickstart your gameplay in under 90 seconds. First, let's tackle outdated graphics drivers which commonly cause display issues. Open your device manager by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Expand display adapters and right-click on your graphics card. Select Update driver, then search automatically for drivers. Next up, game file corruption. Head on over to Steam. Find PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds in your library. Right-click on it and select Properties. Navigate to the Local Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let Steam do its thing. It helps scan and repair missing or damaged files. Almost there, launch Pub and go to Graphics Settings. Switch your display mode from full screen exclusive to full screen windowed, or even try windowed sometimes. This simple change can bypass compatibility issues also. Reduce your resolution. Slightly lower settings puts less strain on your system. Ensure Pub is using your dedicated graphics card. Type graphics settings in the Windows search bar. Browse to find your Pub game executable and add it. Then, click on Options and choose High Performance to force your system to use your dedicated graphics card. With these steps, you should be back in the game, conquering those chicken dinners in no time. If the black screen persists, consider checking your system's temperature or contacting Pub support for further assistance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming fixes.